Okay.
This temple, the founder is there. You can see the photograph. He is the Raja. Okay, you can bury in 7 days. You bury, then you can come to the. So he is the one who created this temple.
Okay.
And this Sivalinga is actually normally those people who died. See, like Mama who passed away.
Okay.
So when they reach Sankara here, the prayers normally do to Shiva. Lord Shiva will do the prayers. That is the main thing. So this temple is been this temple is almost 100 years old.
100 years old.
So they're going to build a temple, so temporary is a temple. They're going to build the actual temple.
Is there any specific reason to choose a place for the temple to be built?
இந்த கோயில் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு இது இருக்கு அந்த கோயில் இங்கே தான் இல்லை இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல கோயில் வச்சிருக்கிறதுக்கு ஏதாச்சும் காரணம் இருக்கு அந்த இடத்துல தான் கோயில் வைக்கிறாங்க ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு ஞானம் வந்து he has passed away. The Guru has passed away. So he had a vision saying that the temple, you should build this kind of temple. So that's why they built the temple here. But the next temple might not be here because the government has been elected in another land, so they might shift over there. He is from Tamil Nadu, Madurai. I don't know. Did you have any? Did you have